Welcome to another episode of City Retreat, where we take you on a journey to some of the most breathtaking destinations around the world. Today, we're headed to the gorgeous island of Santorini, Greece. This small yet picturesque island is located in the southern Aegean Sea, and is known for its mesmerizing views, stunning beaches, and magnificent sunsets. Join us as we explore all that Santorini has to offer. Santorini is a volcanic island, and it has been inhabited since the prehistoric times. In the 16th century BC, the Minoan eruption destroyed the island and created the Caldera. After that, the island was named Thera and became an important cultural and commercial center during the Greek and Roman periods. Today, Santorini is known for its unique architecture, which includes the traditional blue and white houses, churches with blue domes, and narrow streets. Santorini is famous for its stunning attractions. First on our list is the ancient city of Akrotiri. This city was destroyed by the same volcanic eruption that created the caldera, and it was buried under the ash for centuries. Today, visitors can explore the excavated ruins and marvel at the advanced civilization that once lived here. Next up is the town of Oya, located on the northern tip of the island. Oya is known for its picturesque architecture and its stunning sunsets. Visitors can walk around the town, explore its narrow streets, and enjoy the breathtaking views of the sea and the caldera. Another must-see attraction is the Red Beach, located near the ancient city of Akrotiri. The beach is named after the red cliffs that surround it, and it offers visitors a unique experience of swimming in crystal clear water and sunbathing on the red sand. Last but not least, we have the beautiful town of Fira, located on the western side of the island. Fira is the capital of Santorini, and it's known for its lively nightlife, charming cafes, and restaurants that serve traditional Greek food. Speaking of food, Santorini has a lot to offer when it comes to traditional Greek cuisine. The island is famous for its local produce, including tomatoes, fava beans, and white eggplants. One of the most popular dishes is the tomato keftedes, which are small fried balls made of tomatoes, herbs, and cheese. Santorini is also known for its delicious wine, and the local wineries offer visitors a chance to taste some of the finest wines in Greece. Conclusion. That's it for our tour of Santorini, Greece. From its ancient ruins to its stunning beaches, the island has something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed this episode of City Retreat, and we encourage you to visit Santorini for yourself to experience all that it has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel destinations. Thank you for watching.